Hey guys, Angie here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So today we have a quick video. I was gonna film something else, but I'll just upload that on Sunday. I had to work late tonight and I wanna get the video up for you today. We are aiming for consistency in 2021. So today I have some lip swatches for you. Gimmie Kisses Boo was nice enough to send me some lipsticks, some liquid lipsticks from their new collection. I'm okay. So if you want to get into some lip swatches, some black owned lip swatches, and some black owned lip swatches that look good on brown skin, then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Natt gang, and let's get into this video. So I already opened them because I wanted to see what I was getting. So basically I was sent 4 liquid lipsticks. I opened them. They actually came in boxes, which was a really nice touch. And the packaging on these is different than the glosses. In my opinion, it's better. So really big upgrades in this brand in such a short amount of time. So I already love that. I also got a lip scrub, which I won't be using today. I don't really feel like I need it right now, but I will be using it probably on the weekend, like with my whole skincare routine. I just think it's a little awkward for me to film in this room, specifically me using a lip scrub, but during skincare in the bathroom is fine. So this is their Goal Getter collection. It's 4 liquid lipsticks. So the shades that are in the Goal Getter collection are Millions, Hustle, Manifest, and Level Up. So I love the names of these already. They're giving me a vibe, they're giving me a mood. So let's just get into these swatches. I am gonna be lining my lips. Today I'm gonna be using MAC's Chestnut. How is it supposed to go well if you're not lining your lips? So I'm going to line my lips today for every single swatch because that's how I'm gonna wear them. So I might as well put the lip liner on now. So let me do that and let's get into the first swatch. So I'm gonna pick at random. So we're starting with Millions, which looks like a nice mauve shade. It looks actually more berry, but let's see how it dries down. I actually like this shade way more than I thought I was going to. You guys know on my channel is Nude City, Nude Central. That's what we do. But I actually am feeling it. I feel like it is still a neutral, but it's not. And they're also, guys, a very comfortable wear. You know what they remind me of? Those like NYX creamy matte liquid lipsticks, but the ones that actually like dry down. Is super comfortable. I'm gonna let it dry down some more and see if it transfers because these are supposed to be matte liquid lipsticks. So I will give it about like two minutes and then I'll let you know. It's been some time. So there is a little bit of transfer, just of pigment, but nothing heavy. So if you are someone that wants it to be totally transfer proof, this is not the situation right now. However, for me, it's comfortable. I gotta wage the war. I would much rather have a comfortable liquid lipstick than a super drying, uncomfortable liquid lipstick. Do y'all remember ColourPop's liquid lipsticks? I don't know if they're the same formulas, but when they were like all the rage a couple years ago, they were stupid drying, like stupid drying, like stupid drying. I cannot stress that enough that I felt like I was dying half the time. And it's not a liquid lipstick trait. Like you can have a very comfortable, very matte liquid lipstick without it being like, you know what I mean? But I love this shade. So let's move on to the next one. I feel like I've said what I had to say, but it surprised me. This was the one I thought I wasn't gonna like because it's so different for me, but it looks very good on me. And that basically came off with just micellar water. Okay, next shade at random is Hustle. So this one's more pinky. It almost looks like a peachy nude, or a peachy pink, I should say. I shouldn't say peachy nude. This looks like a peachy pink. This is exactly why I put on that liner, so this is Hustle. And see, even with the liner, you still get the full pigment of the liquid lipstick. So they're very pigmented, which is very good. It's not something that just kind of looks pink in the bottle and doesn't translate. Like, it looks good in there, it looks good on me. It actually looks really good with this makeup look. This is a very pretty pink, honestly. And pretty damn matte. Yeah, again, slight transfer. It's just a little bit of the pigment. Nothing serious. Okay, randomly picking again. And we got Manifest, which looks like a lovely chocolate brown. I was trying to save this one for last. Ooh, and it's a nice warm brown. Like it's not the same color as like my lip liner. Sorry to say. This is a very nice brown. This brown is like the perfect, I know this is gonna be loaded, but the perfect like moody 90s brown. Like on me especially, like my complexion, I'm looking at this and I'm seeing Aaliyah. Like I'm seeing that vibe. Like if I had some layered hair, like a layered wig, I feel like, watch out. Like this is like the perfect brown. And this is not me hyping it up because I got it for PR. I honestly, these are my first impressions, guys. Look at this brown. Look at this brown in my complexion. When I try other liquid lipsticks, like from Kylie Cosmetics, from ColourPop, I think I've even tried one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, they go almost gray and too cool. This one is nice and warm. Why that's important is because when you do those like really like super grayish, darkish, almost like black browns, they look great on white skin. They are not made for people with brown skin. And it's not that we couldn't wear them, like I'm sure we can pull anything off, obviously. But to me, it more so comes across as almost like ashy or like it just doesn't flatter, like is what I'm trying to say. This flatters my lips. That's what I knew it. I had a feeling. I looked at it in the tube and I was like, this is gonna be the one. What is this one? Manifest, absolutely. This is Manifest. And that's why I was saying it's a good thing it's lighter than my lip liner. With my lip liner, it's the perfect grunge 90s like lip. For me, like it looks so good. I knew I wanted this one to be last, damn it. But anyways, last but not least, we have Level Up. So I'm gonna take this one off, even though I don't want to, and put on Level Up. So this is Level Up, and this looks like a peachy nude. Lovely. So this shade's sexy. Level Up, right? I like this. This one again fits in that like grungy nude category with the lip liner, like absolutely. Wow. I don't even know what else to say, but like these are good shades. This is a really good collection. It's a good basics collection, especially. Sorry if you see me looking over here, I'm looking at myself in my monitor because I feel like it looks really good. Like I can't say that I'm surprised based on the quality of the glosses, but I'm also surprised because I feel like the big name brands aren't doing this for us. You know what I mean? Like spending big money, big money at Sephora to not even get the shade like here. Support your local small black business, please. Enough said, enough. This is it, wait, I gotta do my, and this is Level Up. And with that being said, that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried Gimmie Kisses Boo. I highly recommend, like honestly, try their glosses, like those. Try these, love these. Like these, if I was to recommend one or the other, highly recommend the liquid lipsticks. Just because of the look that they give you and the colors on our complexion. Enough said, enough done. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. But if you tried this brand, give them a shout out in the comments down below. And as always, subscribe to me. It pays my bills. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.